Welcome everyone to Unbored Bible. I'm Gary. Today we're going to be talking about the second unwritten rule of teaching, certain styles that are being projected out there. Again, some schools of thought is that you have to make some type of you have to do that clap thing. It's get their attention, make sure they're listening, which is kind of going to be, if you do it naturally, that's fine. But if you have to tell yourself to do that clap while you're talking, it's going to come off as canned, and you don't want that. Right now, if you just do it naturally, some people do it just kind of naturally anyway, that's fine. Why? I don't understand. I've never had to clap, and I've been teaching for 9 years. Or somebody will say you've always got to have to do something with your hands all the time. Now I talk with my hands. If you haven't seen all my other videos, I talk with my hands, but I'm not going around trying to make a point and then snapping. Not going to happen. You these TV preachers and stuff like that you see up there, they're not asking questions. They're not interacting with the people other than, can I get an amen? That's for preaching. Teaching is a totally different thing. Let your own natural isms come out, your own natural flow, your own natural cadence, your own natural talking with your hands, your own natural pushing your glasses up or something of that nature. That's what people really want from you. They want the authentic teacher, you. They want the authentic Gary while I'm up there. They want to watch me make mistakes. They want to watch me fumble over my words like I do on these videos. They want me to be myself. They don't want to feel like they're part of a marketing ploy or a sales pitch, or they're being used or being talked down to. They don't want that. All right, so hope that helps. I've got other videos on with tips and trips. If you like those, please do all that YouTube algorithm thing, like, share, subscribe. I don't know, make a comment or two. Tell me how wrong I am. But I appreciate you listening, and we've got some other videos somewhere down in here that you could go get some other tips and tricks or teaching topics. Thanks.